Welcome back to the channel. Today we got working on pulling the engine on the old Jeep, so I gotta make up some like 45-degree angle pieces for that, for the cherry picker on there, so we can hook it up to the engine and pull the engine out. I'm going to try and pull out the transmission and stuff, do some cutting. Things are nice and warm now. Now I do want to bend these in the middle. Throw a little slice in them. A little bit of lube. So now we're doing some welding on this 3/16 steel. Bent them. I cut them over and bent them. And now I'm gonna tack them, and I got wire speed at 20, at 220 volts, at 300 speed. Wire feed speed and 3/16. Get these cleaned up a little bit. Now on the painting. Well, I'll have to let that dry and then hook them up to the old cherry picker, and then we'll be good to pull out the engine. Get that engine pulled out tomorrow, but thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.